Hello viewers, welcome to the future of culinary spaces. In just a couple of years, kitchen design is set to transform dramatically. Imagine a kitchen where technology seamlessly integrates with aesthetics. Smart appliances will not only save time but create energy efficient environments that enhance your cooking experience. Picture ovens that can be controlled from your smartphone and refrigerators that help you manage your grocery list. But it is not just about gadgets. The design will focus on open spaces, multifunctional furniture, and sustainable materials. Think of countertops made from recycled composites and cabinets that are both stylish and functional. Colors will shift towards earthy tones and soft pastels, creating a warm, inviting atmosphere. Personalization will be key, allowing homeowners to express their unique style through custom cabinetry and innovative layouts. As we approach 2025, the dream kitchen is not just a trend, it's a lifestyle transformation. It's about creating a space that fosters connection, creativity, and comfort for family and friends. Kitchen trends for 2025 focuses on a rustic minimalism and soft Scandinavian design, characterized by natural simplicity and modern aesthetics. Expect large solid wood elements and bold earthy tones, deep greens and warm reds that add warmth and character. Stainless steel essence offer an industrial touch, harmonizing with soft shapes for buildings. Smart storage solutions promote a clutter-free environment, resulting in kitchens that are both inviting and effortlessly stylish. Natural materials like wood and stone continue to dominate, but can be mixed with contrasting materials such as stainless steel and painted surfaces. The material choices should be durable over time while also reflecting personality and making the kitchen feel unique. Renovating the kitchen is often high on many people's wish lists, and to ensure that your kitchen renovation goes as smoothly as possible, we have compiled our best tips to help you along the way. Of course, our knowledgeable kitchen designers are with you every step of the way, from idea to installation of your new kitchen. Before divining into the kitchen renovation, it's important to make a plan. Begin by listing your needs and desires and what's important to you. Measure the walls of the room where the kitchen will be located. and check where the water and electricity are installed. Also consider the schedule. When do you want your new kitchen to be ready? Together with your kitchen designer, choose the style of your kitchen, color, material, and optional extras. You always have great flexibility and can choose any color, and we always customize the kitchen based on the room. So there are no standard measurement. Each cabinet and drawer will be exactly the size you want. Of course, completely free of charge. The cost of a kitchen renovation varies depending on the size of the kitchen, choice of materials, optional features in the kitchen, which appliances you choose, etc. It's important to consider the cost of demolishing the old kitchen and installing the new one. Set a budget that is reasonable for you and determine what is most important, prioritizing accordingly. Planning and inspiration are important, and finding a company that can realize your kitchen dream. At Rivaj Woodwork and Furniture, you can create exactly the kitchen you want. The kitchens are completely custom made, and you can always choose any color. But of course, our talented kitchen designer help you from idea and inspiration to installation of your new kitchen. Pick away what is not needed during the renovation and keep only the most necessary items available. Well-organized storage minimize the mess that can easily occur during renovation and makes life easier. A small tip is to try to keep as good order as possible and stick to daily routines so that the kitchen renovation becomes as smooth as possible.